Good morning, everybody. Welcome today. Is it 109, 110? I think it's 110. I'm not sure. Damn it, I'll have to look it up. Anyway, it is St. Patrick's Day. So, top of the morning to you. Now, I only say that because our good friend Karen from Ireland says that the Irish hate that. They hate it when us Americans go over to Ireland and that's how we talk to them. Top of the morning to you. So anyway, top of the morning to you in celebration of St. Patty's Day. Anyway, it's Friday, St. Patrick's Day. Gonna be a great day. I get to start working on silver tonight, hopefully. Probably not tonight. We got a party tonight. We're doing a St. Patrick's Day party with my good friend Brian. You've seen him on this show before. In fact, we went for a ride a couple weeks ago and out to eat and all that fun stuff. So anyway, I'm going to him and his girlfriend's house, and we are going to hang out for the evening, meet some new people, and just chill for a bit, which I'm not good at parties. I rarely go to them, and I'm just not good at sitting around doing nothing. So it's a challenge for me. Anyway, we will see how that turns out. Mama Badger's got a lunch with a really good friend of hers that she hasn't seen in a while, so she's going to be doing that. And then I got lots of work to do, so you know, life continues on. Anywho, I hope you guys are having a great, well, you're going to see this on Saturday. I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great Saturday. And I'm going to go grab some coffee because I've earned it, and we will see you in a few. All right, so Mama Badger went to lunch with a friend, and since the bike's not sitting up, you're kind of crooked here, aren't you? Is that better? All right, anyway, Mama Badger went to lunch with her friend, and I've got packages I need to go drop off at the mailbox. More patches, a couple of Gremlin bells. I think we're about sold out. I think we got maybe one left. So those are going out today, and then I need to pick up some party favors for tonight. Mama Badger and I don't drink very much, but we're planning on drinking tonight at the St. Patty's Day party, so I've got to pick that up. And then I haven't eaten yet. Mama Badger's going out to eat, so I'm probably going to go out to eat too. Don't tell her. Shh. Anyway, but we'll see where I end up here in a little bit. And this is taking Red. This is probably Red's last voyage for quite a while, because I'm tearing her apart this weekend and getting silver all set up. So we're going to take Red one last time for a ride out. Be a while before I ride Red again. And then, of course, the weed eater behind me starts up. But let's see if Red's going to fire up, and then we'll go from there. And my phone is going fucking berserk. All right. I guess I gotta call somebody. We'll see you in a few. All right, let's see if she'll fire up. Been a few days. The mail is done. Now it's time to run the rest of the errands and get back to work. Although I'm technically at work right now, this is the good part of my job. Mexican pizza, here I come. Alright, so I just stopped at Taco Bell for lunch. Mexican pizza, I love Mexican pizzas. But anyway, the shell of the Mexican pizza had the weirdest like aftertaste or chemically taste to it. I don't know what's up with it, but if I'm sick in a few hours or tomorrow, I guarantee you it's from a Taco Bell Mexican pizza. We'll see what happens. Time to get the alcohol. right, there's a check on the alcohol. Now, a few hours will be time to party. And it drives my Irish friend Karen nuts when I call it St. Patty's Day. So we're headed to the St. Patty's Day party. Love you, Karen. Thanks, man. I think that's parts for red and silver this weekend. All right, so today's video is going to be an early day video because I have my party tonight, and I'm not gonna do much video, I don't think anyway. We'll see, I may get some video from there tonight. Anyway, is it too early to start drinking? I mean, I just bought alcohol. It's like 1:39. Mama Badger's out with her friend eating lunch. I have zero supervision, well, except for her, she's supervising me. But otherwise, I have zero supervision. Should I just start drinking now? What do you think? Anyway, so today was a heart attack day. Check this out, guys. And we all found it out. Whew, that was a mouthful. All right. Anyway, I found this out by pure accident. So I had been on Support Bikers yesterday on my phone, and today I just happened to open my phone, and when I did, it said, go to GoDaddy and buy this domain. I'm like, what the fuck? So I instantly like jam into Angie. I'm like, Ange, look at our website, Support Bikers, it's down. So we get to looking, and our domain name had expired. Our ownership of it anyway. So I have a credit card on file, but my credit card was hacked early in the year, so they sent me a new credit card. Well, even though the number is the same, something's changed where it doesn't work anymore. So the other thing is that domain account was tied to one of Angie's email addresses that she doesn't check anymore. So we were probably getting notifications there that it was going to expire and they had a problem, but we didn't see any of those. So I'm just glad nothing bad happened, because believe it or not, there are some really, really, really evil, nasty, bad people out in the world. We've met a few of them in the past couple of years that would die to get their hands on our domain name or something like that, just to direct it to themselves. So whew, thankfully nobody else saw it and nobody did something crooked like that. We were able to do that, and then I put like 3 credit cards on file and changed the email address. So I put redundancies in there so this kind of crap never has a chance of happening again. But man, that was a heart attack moment this morning. I know Angie was like, oh my gosh, this could have been horrible. So anyway, tragedy averted, but I think I need a drink. It's things like that you know, you just don't face in your normal everyday life, that you face in business ownership, that can just like make your heart jump up into your throat. I mean, it can be like a scary situation. Anywho, like I said, crisis averted. I'm gonna get back to work here until Mama shows up, and then we're gonna party for St. Patty's Day. So I'll do some recording tonight, and I'll just have most of the video ready so when I come home I can plop in the recording from that tonight, so that I'm not up till 2 a.m. trying to get this video done, and we will yeah, we'll get it all done tonight. That way you guys can see a little bit of the St. Patty's Day party we attend to. So we'll see you after a while. Alright guys, I want to do this before it's too late. You can't even see me, it's dark. We've got the tiki torches going, a little bonfire going, and we're just hanging out for the night. So that is it for today, number 110. I'm gonna go hang out with my friends, and we'll see you tomorrow. Got a lot of work to do tomorrow, but hopefully I'll have silver all up and ready to go. Anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend, and again, see you tomorrow.